In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from an image in Photopea. First, open the image that contains the text you want to remove. Sometimes the text in an image is embedded directly into the picture, meaning there is no separate text layer for it. If you do have a separate text layer, the process is very simple. Just locate the text layer on the right side of your screen in the Layers panel, right-click on it, and click Delete to remove the text immediately. However, if the text is part of the image itself, you will need to remove it using a different method. Start by going to the left side of your screen and selecting the Magic Wand tool. If another tool such as Object Selection or Quick Selection is visible in that position, simply right-click on it and choose Magic Wand from the list. After selecting the Magic Wand tool, click on the first letter of the text in your image. Then hold the Shift key on your keyboard and continue clicking on the remaining letters one by one until the entire text is selected. Once all the letters are selected, go to the top of your screen and click on Select. From the drop-down menu, hover over Modify, then choose Expand from the side menu. A small window will appear where you can expand the selection slightly. Expanding the selection helps Photopea properly fill the area once the text is removed. In most cases, expanding the selection by about 10 pixels works well. Type 10 in the box and click OK. Now that the text area is fully selected, you need to remove it in a way that automatically fills the background based on the surrounding image. To do this, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Fill. In the window that appears, open the Fill drop-down menu and choose Content Aware. Leave the rest of the settings as they are and click OK. Photopea will now analyze the surrounding pixels and automatically fill the selected area so the text disappears and blends with the background. After the process is complete, go to Select at the top of your screen and click Deselect to remove the selection outline. You will now see that the text has been removed and the image background looks smooth. In some cases, if the text blends heavily with the background or overlaps complex details, the result might not look perfect. If that happens, you may need to use a different technique to clean up the background. In that situation, watch our video on this channel titled Exactly How to Remove Object in Photopea and follow that method to remove the text more precisely. And this is how you can remove text from an image in Photopea.